back to the channel. Let's just jump right into this. I was going over YouTube's actual stipulations as far as being monetized a couple weeks ago, and apparently I'm just an idiot because I've been wrong for the past year and a half. I thought I had to have 1,000 subscribers, which is still true, but I also thought I had to average approximately 20,000 watch minutes a month, and I had to maintain that for a year to be monetized again. As it turns out, if you take out my stupidity, what I actually have to average is 4,000 watch hours over the previous 12 months, which I'm 50% more than that. I need 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months, and I have 5,500. So I'm actually good there. So literally the only thing I'm lacking is 1,000 subscriptions. And as this is being filmed right now, I have 837. Now, as you might be able to still see the car with the banners all over it, it's in the garage. I just got back from the Express rally. That video is going to be uploaded this weekend. That was one of the most fun things I've done, is car-related stuff in my life. I met a lot of really cool people. There's a very long video for that. I won't digress. This is a gift card giveaway video. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment on the video. You need to subscribe to the channel, please. I know it's annoying and you hate hearing me say these things, but this is what I need to have happen for me to hit my goal. And when I finally hit 1,000 subs, what I'm actually going to do for locally, I'm going to go out on a Saturday night, the very following Saturday after I hit 1,000, and I'm buying a round or two, maybe 3 drinks for all of my friends who want to go with me and celebrate. And more importantly, for you guys who are not local to me, who don't personally know me, once I hit 1,000 subscriptions, what I'm going to do is for 1 month, I am going to put $1 for every single subscription I get for that month. So say I hit 1,000 at the end of May, the entire month of June, for every subscription that I hit, I'm going to add $1, and whatever I get for that month is going to be the giveaway for a thank you to the YouTube community, to the car community, for helping me get this goal that I've been really struggling with lately. I know that I'm still really working on my ability and filming. I've got a lot of really cool ideas for this year that I'm really going to try to implement. I've got a lot of meetings and car reviews planned. A lot of people are going to let me ride in their cars, hopefully drive some of their cars, and really get into this further. This is what I want. This is my goal. This is stairways to my dreams in the automotive media and automotive culture. So, like I said again, guys, please like on the video, please comment on the video, please subscribe on Ridgefield, and be entered for your chance to win another $25 gift card giveaway. Thanks.
58, but you still...
Behind me, you'll see a car.